Sunod dun sa man. Primary types of e-commerce. Kuan. B2C. Sunod B2B. C2C. C2B. B2G. Sunod. Kuan. Sunod. E-commerce opportunities. Okay. Global market access, number 1. Number 2, lower startup cost. Number 3, automation. Number 4, personalized marketing. Number 5, faster transactions. Okay na? Risk na, e-commerce risk. Number 1, cyber security threats. Online fraud or scams. Data privacy issues. Delivery problem. Ang last, high competition.